In this video, let me show you the way that you set up the Tidal Family Plan. Whether you're currently on a free plan or an individual plan, you can easily upgrade to a family plan by heading over to the subscribe option, which is on the top right of the screen. Tidal currently has three plans: the individual, family, and the student plan. Just need to select the option called family, and you can see some of the benefits you're going to get with the family plan. Now you can add up to 6 members, and all of those 6 members will have an individual account of their own. So you can just click on continue, add in your payment details, and then click on continue. Once you now successfully upgrade to a family plan, you'll need to invite other people so that they can also join the family plan. Once you successfully subscribe, you'll have a section where you can send invitation, and only when the other person accepts the invite, they will be immediately added in to the family plan that you just created. So that's all there is in setting up the family plan inside of Tidal. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.